The politically broad-based call to extend the presidential term of office beyond 2028 remains a rightful and unquestionable obligation for the Parliament of Zimbabwe. The Party of Zimbabwe's Permanent National Democratic Revolution, ZANU-PF, and other legitimate political stakeholders to this matter. Parliamentarians from the cross-sectional divide of political parties represent the views and interests of the electorate. The Parliament of Zimbabwe is not answerable to narrow sectoral and regime change donor funding antics by a partly conglomerate of civil society entrepreneurs purporting to represent the views of the church in Zimbabwe. In the same vein, such Western donor organizations need not to be reminded that ZANU-PF is a political establishment which delivered the freedom of expression and the freedom of religion, among many other rights we all enjoy today. However, it is crucial for ZANU-PF's godly existential values not to be abused by minority entities and individuals bent on misrepresenting the cordial relationship which the state and the church enjoy. The proposal to move a motion on the presidential term limit extension will follow the provisions of the law. It must be emphasized that the Constitution of Zimbabwe will remain centrifugal throughout this process with no iota of infractions.